Morning friends, last period we have seen the reflection of waves. In that case we see the reflection of transverse wave and longitudinal wave from denser medium and rarer medium respectively. म्हणजे मागच्या पिरियडला आपण लॉन्जिट्युडिनल वेव्हचं आणि ट्रान्सव्हर्स वेव्हचं रेअर मीडियम आणि डेन्सर मीडियम पासून आपण रिफ्लेक्शन पाहिलं. नाउ we have to see the principle of superposition of waves, that is the new point, principle of superposition of waves. In order to explain this, we know that through the medium large number of waves travels in all possible directions. When these waves travels through the medium, these waves cross at some points of medium simultaneously. Where they after crossing the point of the medium at the same time, but afterwards they behave as the other wave is not present. That means, but these waves produces the particle of the medium as a simple harmonic motions. Each particle set into simple harmonic motions, and the resultant displacement at that point is the vector sum of their individual displacements. म्हणजे ज्या ज्या ठिकाणी ह्या वेव्स क्रॉस होतात त्या त्या ठिकाणी त्या वेव्स त्यांचं ओन डिस्प्लेसमेंट तयार करतात and behaves as the other wave is not present, independent of the other wave, and the resultant displacement ज्या ठिकाणी क्रॉस झाल्या त्या ठिकाणचं रिझल्टंट डिस्प्लेसमेंट ही त्यांच्या इंडिव्हिज्युअल डिस्प्लेसमेंटची वेक्टर सम असते, and that can be given by the principle of superposition of waves. Therefore, we have to state the principle of superposition of waves. Now we have to see the statement. According to the principle of superposition of waves, or the principle of superposition of waves states that when two or more waves traveling through a medium cross the point of medium at the simultaneously, then each wave produces its own displacement independent of the presence of the other, and the resultant displacement at the point of medium is the vector sum of their individual displacements. In other words, this principle can also be stated as when two or more waves traveling through a medium arrive at a point of medium simultaneously, then each wave produces its own displacement independent of the other. The resultant displacement at that point is the vector sum of their individual displacements. That means we can write if y1 and y2 are the displacements produced by the individual wave, then according to the principle of superposition of waves, the resultant displacement y bar can be given as y1 bar plus y2 bar, that is vector sum of their individual displacements. This principle of superposition of waves can explain the other phenomena, that is interference of waves, and this interference of waves can be explained as follows. आता consider the two waves traveling through a medium and arriving at a point of medium simultaneously, which are in the same phase at some instant, and let y1 and y2 be their individual displacements. According to the principle of superposition of waves, the resultant displacement y bar can be given by the vector sum y1 bar plus y2 bar, means resultant displacement, resultant amplitude at a given point of medium will be increases. That is, these two waves arriving at a point are in the same phase, that is crest of one wave coincide with the crest of other wave, or trough of other wave coincide with the trough of the other wave, and therefore such type of interference is called as constructive interference. In the other example, if the two waves arriving at a point are in out of phase, that is crest of one wave falls on the trough of the other, or trough of the one wave coincide with the crest of the other, then the resultant displacement at that point is minimum. That means the resultant displacement is minimum, and therefore y bar can be given as y1 bar plus of minus y2 bar. And such type of interference is called as destructive interference.